Okay, I have 2 heads of cabbage that I brought from the store. Yes, you have to make sure you wash this really good. And I'm just going to chop this up. Some people cut their cabbage in bigger pieces. I try to cut it in smaller pieces. We know that cabbage is going to cook down either way it goes. But it's no particular way you'll have to chop the cabbage, basically. I'm just going to sit it in this bowl right here. Sometimes when you go to the grocery store, the cabbage just looked like someone literally took it and was playing like soccer with it or something. It's so beat up. And I know I sit for a while in the store just trying to look at each cabbage and pick the best looking one, I guess. Yeah, but some produce just look like it has lived a very hard life. And I don't know if the workers eventually they have to just get rid of that produce, you know. Even with the tomatoes, they have tomatoes that's just bad and it's still sitting there. And no one wants to buy bad tomatoes or anything, bad cucumbers. We have to eat this stuff, so, you know, we don't want anything that's bad that we can potentially get sick from. The cabbage is chopped up. Two heads of cabbage. And this is how it looks. But of course it's going to cook down. I just put some olive oil in the pot. And I'm going to add the cabbage. So now, since all of the cabbage is added to the pot, you just let this cook down, and I'm going to start cutting up the meat. So this right here is turkey sausages, and I also have some chicken jalapeno sausage with cheese. So I am going to use these two type of sausages. It's chicken sausage, and basically it just has cheese and jalapenos in it. I've had chicken sausage before with jalapenos in it, but I've never had chicken sausages with jalapeno and cheese in it. So I'm going to see how this tastes. Wow, you can see the cheese in it. If you can see, the cheese is right here. Oh, I don't know about these sausages. Seems like there's a lot of cheese in it. So since the meat is all chopped up, what I'm going to do is get ready to put this in a skillet. And I'm also going to make sure that I have all of my seasonings chopped up so that I can add that to the skillet as well. So right now what I'm doing is I am chopping up some onion, and I already have some yellow pepper and red pepper already chopped up. So I'm just going to chop this onion up, and everything is going to go in the skillet. The meat is going to go in the skillet as well as these seasonings, and I'm also going to add some garlic to the cabbage as well. Okay, so everything is all chopped up. Now what you do is you're going to just saute everything in the pan. I'm going to let the meat cook a little, and then I am going to add the onions and peppers and probably some garlic. I added some minced garlic. I'm going to add some paprika. I'm also going to add a little garlic powder. And I'm going to add some pepper. And I am going to add some Creole seasoning. And I'm just going to let this cook down a little bit. And then I am going to add a little bit of chicken stock. I added the meat and the chopped onion and pepper. I also added some parsley. And now I'm just going to add some chicken stock. Not a lot. And I'm just going to continue to let this cook. It is not done for me. I know everyone likes their cabbage at a certain texture, but I don't like mine extremely mushy, and I don't like it hard. So kind of in between. So I'm going to let this cook down some more. And I'm just going to let you guys see once it's done. Now it's time to get the cornbread ready. And you guys, it's Jiffy. Good old Jiffy. Can't go wrong with Jiffy corn muffin mix. And basically, I'm just going to follow the ingredients on the box. You have the corn muffin mix, 1 egg. You're supposed to put 1/3 cup of milk. Now what I am going to add, which is not on the box, is honey. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. And what you want to make sure you do is you have a muffin pan, and you would have to preheat your oven on 400, and they say bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and get it ready for the oven. It's all done. I have the cornbread and I just cut it in half. And here's the cabbage. I usually put turkey bacon, but I didn't have any And I just did chicken breasts. Some honey. And this is it, guys.